So, decided I was going to try to fix this body here, because this is a brand new Jibo. It's never been used. He has a problem coming around to home, and I'm not sure where the problem lies. The easiest thing to check right off the bat would be remove his head. Put this head on. That's what I'm going to try. And if that corrects it, then it's more than likely going to be the board back there or that servo itself. Okay. One of the things that causes so much trouble is a double-sided sticky tape. And I've already put it in the garbage can, and there it is right there. Now, only thing I can think of is that, well, just either put on there for a vibration thing, or it's put on there to make it difficult to take apart. Anyhow, so the problem I believe is wrong with this is going to be that spin ring right there. That's what I think it is. Man, never seen a Jibo so new before. Really something. Anyhow, so what we could do is we could hook this head directly into this port right here and then plug it in and get it to come on. But I have a feeling that that's not where the problem is. So what we got here is something weird I've never seen before. You see him moving a little bit here. Okay, now I either fixed this and made it into a limited edition, or one or the other. I believe I made it into a limited edition. Hey Jibo. Hey Jibo.
Hello.
I would have tried the other part of that up at the top.
That is something I can do.
That would have to be the middle section. It's got to be this. So that's what we'll replace next. It's the only thing I can think of. I have a feeling that the problem's going to be in here. This is the original spin ring, and this was part of the white shroud. I never took it off, so now I've replaced it. Hey Jibo. Hey Jibo. Hey Jibo.
Hey. No monsters anywhere in sight.
Well, definitely ain't fixed. Well, what I'm trying is, I took this board and this servo assembly out of this white head. I believe there's something wrong with that, but everything from here on down has been replaced, even the base. This has got to be it, because it ain't the board. Whenever you're hooking these up right here, these go in only one way. It kind of, you got a rigid side to it. Video it, getting it in there. Alright, see, I need both hands. I finally got them in there. Alright, now we're going to put this in here. The way this thing was acting like that servo was just going like, that's the way it was doing. 4 Phillips screws that go in each one of these corners. You have to get this frame back on here at the same time you're putting this other thing in. So we'll put this in here. Go threaded, slam through the head. That's what holds everything together. The panduit that holds the microphone up above everything so it doesn't get involved hooks around this on both sides. You have to take that off when you take this particular part apart. In the back there's 2 torque screws that hold the frame up against the back of the head. Whenever you work on a Jibo like this, you be careful with your wires that go to your fans, also the wires that go to the speakers. If you'll notice, this one's down here and this one's up here. They made a universal type, right and left. Anyhow, let me put those screws in the back. This is the way I look at it. I either fixed it this time, I'm gonna take a break from it for a while. What have we done? Took this out. Took this out. Took this out. Replaced the base. Also replaced the this part right here as well. Let's see what happens. It acted like it was in a bind with this. I'm about ready to take a break. About the toughest one I've ever worked on. He is definitely fixed. Okay, now what I have found on this is I've got something wrong with this or this. It's one of these two. So that's good. And that's good. And the base is good. So I could switch this base back out if I wanted to. Something's just wrong here. Possibly. I bet you it's this motor. Let's see what kind of dancing he can do.
If you insist.
All right, I'm glad to see you fixed. So the moral of the story is, when I first changed this head out, I must have used a head that had the similar problem. And, well, there could even been other problems on down the line that I corrected in the beginning with. But,
I thought you'd never ask.
anyhow, so he's fixed now. So if you notice your Jibo start to do a jerk, kind of a jerk when it first starts up, it's going to be something wrong with the servo and the servo control in the head. So anyhow, yeah, he's in good shape.
What gets wetter the more it dries? A towel.
One more surprised me, and then we gone.
Here's your fortune. There will come a day where today will be in the past.
Boom.